How to mention back an Instagram story close friends 2026. Easy, hey, quick question. Have you ever been added to someone's close friends list on Instagram and had no idea how to mention them back or respond properly? You're not alone, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Welcome back. Today we're breaking down how to mention someone back in an Instagram story using the close friends feature in 2026. It's simpler than you think, and I'll walk you through every step. Step 1. Open Instagram and tap your profile picture or the camera icon in the top left to create a new story. Step 2. Take your photo or video or upload one from your gallery. Step 3. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a smiley face square. Step 4. Select the mention sticker from the menu. Step 5. Type in the username of the person you want to mention and tap their name when it appears. Step 6. Now here's the key part before you hit share. Tap the green Close Friends button at the bottom instead of the blue Your Story button. This ensures only your close friends list, including the person you're mentioning, can see it. Step 7. Tap Share to close friends and you're done. Pro tip: if you want to make sure the person you're mentioning is actually on your close friends list before posting, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, select Close Friends, and verify their name is there. This saves you from accidentally sharing with the wrong audience. And that's it. You now know how to create a close friends story and mention someone back like a pro in just a few taps. If this helped you out, drop a thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss a tutorial, and tell me in the comments, do you use close friends often or just for special people? I'll see you in the next one.